MSC Software was founded with a view that we would be a company that solves difficult engineering problems by using digital simulation, which at the time we were created was a very new concept. Analog computers were still in use. It's early 1960s, it's the height of the space race. In 1963, Richard MacNeal and Robert Schwendler founded the company, originally starting with analog computers. In 1967, or thereabouts, NASA issued a RFP, a request for proposal, for a digital computer program that would do structural simulation. So we were a founder not only in engineering simulation, but also in the use of digital computing. We created an industry, a business, and that business has generated enormous value for the world in using simulation to answer engineering problems. One of the exciting things that's happening in the industry right now, and for MSC right now, is the expansion of the application of simulation across a broader domain in the engineering workflow. Making the product easy enough that average engineers can use it to answer questions is our goal. To be able to say that every engineering question can be answered by simulation more easily than by any other means. And so that's a driving tenet of the R&D organization. How quickly can we develop the technology so that we can apply simulation to answer engineering questions? In the 1970s, it was a small shop. MSC was a tiny company. Today, we're 400 developers in 7 countries. And so to talk to each other, we have to spec. And we have domain specialists around the world, geometry people, Java people, user interface people. So those domain experts and that kind of technical fragmentation means we have to develop our software in a fairly disciplined way. We're developing software every hour of every day because the size of simulation, the rapidity of simulation, the sets of questions that are being posed that need answers that only simulation can provide is growing. And so we need to make it easier and easier and easier, and faster and faster and faster. You know, one of the things I like to tell my team is making the difficult simple is very hard, but that's our job. Our job continues as it was, in my opinion. Our job is to make engineering better. We're an engineering software company. The way we do it is, as Richard MacNeal said, by means to be determined. So we do engineering by means to be determined. Today, digital computing. Tomorrow, probably also distributed digital computing. Eventually, maybe cloud computing, and so on. There's a lot of interesting and exciting applications yet to be developed where simulation can answer engineering questions in a timely manner, and we'll be there.